Give it up for Mr. Eric Santos, Mr. Agil Casin, and Mr. Gary Valenciano!
Darren Espanto!
Thank you po, of course, Kuya Eric, Tito Ogs, Tito Gary, maraming salamat po for being part of my 10th anniversary concert. Grabe po, kayo po talaga ilan sa mga taong bata pa lang ako. I've been watching you guys. Isa po kayo sa mga inspirasyon ko. Sa lahat, maraming salamat, Tito Ogs. Nakikita niyo po, napaka-clingy talaga namin. Pero, hindi po talaga ako nagkamali sa mga iniidolo. You know, you inspired a lot of us, not just here in the music industry, but also in my personal life. Maraming salamat po. Thank you so much for being an inspiration.
You know, I think that at this point, Darren, you're standing on this stage, and you are the inspiration for many of us.
Yes.
Many of us.
Tingnan mo naman, grabe ang tangkad yung tatlo, no? Oo, nakita ko rin eh. Alam mo, Darren, nalulula ako doon sa taas. Hanggang nalulula ako sa dami ng nagmamahal sa'yo. Grabe.
Grabe. Darren, I just have to say, thank you for not calling me Tito. Maraming salamat dahil Kuya lang.
Tito Eric, Tito Gary, Kuya Ogi.
Next time po. Huwag natin binabago ang script, Kuya. Hindi. Alam mo, everybody with me na you are the best male performer of your generation.
Ow!
Tama, di ba? Kaya, alam mo, ang advice ko lang sa'yo is to just continue to hone your craft, continue to love the people who love you. Ang dami-dami nila, grabe. And continue to love what you do. And you will go places even more.
Maraming
Congratulations.
Ako gusto ko paglaki ko. Nakakatawa yun? Gusto ko maging katulad kita. You're such a good person. You're so humble. You're so hardworking. Napakasipag mo nito. Napaka-generous. Keep being the way you are. We love you, Darren. We love you.
Salamat dito.
You know, I think one of the most important things tonight is that kaya nandito silang lahat dahil maliban sa pagiging extremely good looking,
Wow!
I think more than that is that nararamdaman siya.
Nagmana po ako sa inyo. Mabuti, alam mo. Ganun talaga.
Banda rito eh. Banda rito.
Banda dito naman tayo. Dito naman tayo sa kanilang lahat eh. No, what I want to say is that I think one big reason why people love you and people of all ages are here tonight, but it's because of this, Darren. It's your sincerity, it's your authenticity sa ginagawa mo on stage. And that's not easy to come by nowadays. You are not here to impress people, you are here to just express what's in your heart. At parang nadadama nilang lahat yan. I've been around for 40 years, and you're around for 10 years. I'm hoping I can still be around on your 40th year.
Wow! Oo naman po.
Because you're still going to be strong, if not even stronger than you are today.
Thank you po.
So proud of you talaga.
Thank you po. It really means so much. I would have never imagined again na, syempre, I'd be on the stage with all three of you. It means so much. Maraming salamat po ulit from the bottom of my heart for saying yes to being a part of my 10 years, for celebrating it with me here tonight. Thank you po. Okay.
You're very good.
Salamat po. Ayan, Araneta! Once again, give it up for Mr. Eric Santos. Thank you. Mr. Agil Casin. And Mr. Gary Valenciano. Maraming salamat po. Thank you guys so much. Congrats, Darren. Thank you. Hindi natin concert ni Darren to. Wait.